Students are often taught that the lysosomes are like the stomach of the cell. It's not bad, but it's a little misleading. Lysosomes don't just digest things, they help the cell recycle and rebuild itself. So lysosomes begin like vesicles that bud off of the Golgi apparatus. The proteins that are made in the endoplasmic reticulum move to the Golgi apparatus, and then they're modified and packaged into these smaller membrane-bound vesicles. So inside of these vesicles are all of these enzymes that are capable of breaking up large molecules into smaller ones. Now, let's imagine that the cell encounters something that it needs to break down, like a bacteria. The cell membrane wraps around that bacteria and forms a vesicle. And at this point, the bacterium is inside of the cell, but it has not been broken down yet. So the lysosome will fuse with that vesicle, known as a phagosome. And when they merge, what will happen is that the enzymes from the lysosome will break down the bacteria. And it will break down the proteins and lipids and nucleic acids all down into its smaller parts. So all of these molecules, these amino acids, sugars, and fatty acids, are then released into the cytoplasm where the cell can reuse them. So the lysosomes aren't the stomach, they're really like the cleanup and recycling center. This process also happens in autophagy. This is how your cell maintains itself, by breaking down all of its own damaged parts and worn out proteins. By digesting them and recycling them, the cell is able to maintain its homeostasis by constantly reusing the valuable constituent parts.